Years ago, selling your home was as simple as finding a licensed and experienced realtor, listing your house on the multiple listing service, posting a few photos in a magazine and/or the internet. Today, thanks to the internet and social media, sellers now have the opportunity to market their home locally, nationally, and globally. However, to find the right buyer and to compete with other listings, you need a tech-savvy realtor, a full-service online and offline marketing campaign, exceptional photography, drone footage, high-definition video, 360 3D gallery, a virtual reality tour experience, and a social media campaign. Most realtors are not software developers or social media experts, but realtors are now challenged to provide this level of technical expertise or budget to market and sell your home. Unfortunately, homeowners may be faced with the possibility of lowering the price of their home if their realtor does not advertise the home efficiently. Let LifeStylesIn360 represent you in the sale of your home, your search for your dream home or ideal real estate investment. Now, you don't have to leave your home or office to list or shop for your dream home or community. Our patent-pending virtual reality multiple listing platform and virtual open house features luxury homes, new construction, and investment properties. Simply grab your VR goggles or we can send you a pair. At LifeStylesIn360, we also understand that feeling good about the community you live in can be just as important as selecting the right home. As your local expert, LifeStylesIn360 will help you find a home and neighborhood which best suits your lifestyle via our LifeStylesIn360 platform, which features comprehensive virtual reality experiences of our selected communities from local restaurants, attractions, health and wellness venues, activities to school information and market trends. You can also receive up to $20,000 in goods and services from local businesses via our Keys to the City program when you close on your home with a LifeStylesIn360 or HomesIn360 featured realtor. Register now to explore, discover, and experience our hand-picked new construction and luxury properties for sale by our premier builders and top-producing realtors from the best real estate firms in Florida. Call us at 1-800-881-5831 or register at LifeStylesIn360.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn at LifeStylesIn360 Orlando, at LifeStylesIn360.